Hi students, how are you all? So in the previous video we have drawn the Kp Kc value for different chemical reaction. Today also for ammonia preparation we are going to prepare or derive Kp Kc values. What is the equation for this preparation? N2 3H2 equilibrium reaction will give 2 moles of ammonia NH3. Okay, for this reaction how do you write Kc value? Kc is equal to product concentration NH3 squared divided by N2 H2 cube. So now as usual we want to use initial concentration reacted remaining. So the initial concentration, how much we can take initial concentration of N2 H2 ammonia. Initial concentration as usual you can take A, B. Ammonia nothing, because in the initial reaction or beginning of the reaction we may not have any concentration of NH3. Then reacted as usual, how much reacted? X, but 3 moles of hydrogen is taken, so 3x ammonia. How much it may react? It will not react anything. Then remaining, how much remaining? A minus x. Here B minus 3x, but 2x will form in the ammonia, right? If you want to find the concentration of current reactant products, so concentration, the remaining value, number of moles per volume, A minus x by volume, B minus 3x by volume, 2x by volume, right? You just apply this value in this Kc term. Kc is equal to, for NH3, 2x by V whole square. Then N2, A minus x by V. For H2, B minus 3x by V whole cube. Now you can simplify this one. How do you simplify? Kc is equal to 2x square becoming 4x square, then V squared divided by A minus x by V, B minus 3x whole power 3 divided by V cube. Then V squared will be cancelled. What are the remaining? Kc is equal to 4x squared, this will go up, 4x squared V squared divided by A minus x, B minus 3x. Okay, now we got Kc term, okay, cube. Okay, so this is Kc term. How will you convert the Kc into Kp, or how will you find the Kp value from Kc? So as usual, RT value you want to find. If you want to find RT value, you must apply delta Ng formula. What is delta Ng formula? Number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactants. So number of moles of product, how much? 2 minus 1 plus 3. Reactant, so 2 minus 4 is equal to 2. Minus 2 because minus 4. So RT is equal to what? N by V. Okay. So in this reaction, you must apply, if you convert into Kp, the Kc, if you want to convert Kp, how will you write? The term of Kc as usual you want to write again. Along with that, you must add RT power. What is the delta Ng value? -2. Right? So that -2, you can make it plus. How? RT is equal to what? N by V. So apply N by V value. Kp is equal to 4x squared B squared divided by A minus x B minus 3x whole cube. The place of RT, you apply N by V whole power -2. So you want to make it +2 means just make it inverse of this term, it becoming +2. Right? Now the N value you want to find. How do you find N value? The remaining concentration, if you add up, you will get the number of moles. What are the remaining? A minus x plus B minus 3x plus 2x. So totally 4x, 2x will be cancelled. N is equal to A minus 2x. Or you can write A plus B minus 2x. Okay. Now you got the N value. You apply in this above equation. Kp is equal to 4x squared B squared divided by A minus x B minus 3x whole cube, then B cube divided by small correction, PV by N. Actually RT is equal to PV by N. Okay, right. So PV by N power 2. Actually PV by N is -2. If you make it change N by PV. Small correction, you just make it. Previously I have written V by N, that should be right. PV by N. So make it reverse means N by PV. Now if you make it this N value, you apply in this equation. What is the N value? A plus B minus 2x whole square divided by P square B square. So this is nothing but Kc term, then Kp term. Now you can cancel B squared again. Right? Yes. So the remaining, if you write, that is nothing but Kp term. So V squared, you just cancel it. 4x squared A plus B minus 2x whole square divided by A minus x B minus 3x cube B squared is the term for Kp. So we got Kp as well as Kc term. Okay. Yes. By using this, we are going to do some mathematical calculation. The problem. First example problem. For the same ammonia preparation reaction, the concentration, ammonia concentration is given 1.8 into 10 power minus 2. Then nitrogen concentration is given 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. The same way, hydrogen concentration also 3 into 10 power minus 2. Okay. So for Kc, what is the question? Equilibrium constant for the formation of NH3, N2 and hydrogen. So we want to calculate Kc. This is a question. Concentration terms are given. Kc they are asking. So for ammonia preparation reaction, what is Kc term? NH3 twice, N2, H2 3. So NH3 value 1.8 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. So again you can write 1.8 into 10 power minus 2 divided by N2 value 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 into H2 3 into 10 power minus 2 whole cube. So 3 times you should write. So I don't have space, so I am writing 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So 3 times of 10 power minus 2 becoming 10 power minus 6. Now you can simplify 1.8 into 1.8, 10 power minus 2 minus 2, 10 power minus 4 divided by 1.2 into 2 into 10 power minus 2 minus 8, 6, so minus 8. Minus 8 comes to the numerator means 10 power plus 8. So the remaining is 10 power 4. 10 power plus 4. So if you simplify all this value, you will get 1.2 into 10 power 3. Or simply you can write 1 into 10 power 3. So this is the way you should calculate the Kc term. Sir, how I can divide all those things? By using log tables. Next problem. For a change, they are given Kc also, but they are asking the equilibrium constant for D. D means what? Concentration of all the terms A, B, C, D, all are 1 mole, right? 1 molar. Kc value also given 100. Then what is the question? D concentration at the equilibrium. D concentration alone you want to find. So if you want to find all are equal means AB will give CD. So one of the product if you want to find, that is nothing but X mole reactor means X mole product will form. So X value you have to find. Okay, how do you find the X value? So as usual, initially taken each 1 mole ABCD. Reactor X, 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 X. So remaining 1 minus X, 1 minus X, 1 minus X, 1 minus X. Then small correction. Here 1 minus X. Product side 1 plus X, because X will form, you know. Reactant side 1 minus X. Remaining 1 is initially it is removed, but product side what happened? It may have 1 already X amount. If you add 1 more extra, initially we have taken 1 more product also, but new product XX amount are formed. So 1 plus X plus X. Okay, now you can apply in the Kc term. For this equation, how do you write Kc? CD divided by AB. So all are CD 1 plus X, 1 plus X divided by 1 minus X, 1 minus X. This Kc value also given 100. Now, if you take both sides square root, what will happen? 2 times means 1 time will come out. The same way 100 becoming 10. Then 1 plus x equal to 10 minus 10x. You just multiply. Then you bring it this side. 1 plus x plus 10x minus 10 is equal to 0. Right? 10x, so becoming 11x. So 11x minus 10 plus 1. So 11x minus 9 is equal to 0. Then 11x equal to plus 9. X equal to 9 by 11. So this is the way you have to find the x value. If you simplify this one, you will get 0.818. Okay. So both manner you should know how to find all the any concentration as well as Kp Kc term. Thank you.